Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn the third chapter of Social Science of Term 2. The name of the chapter is The Indian Jewels. Looking at the title of the chapter, you may feel that in this chapter we are going to learn about precious stones, jewels in India. In fact, not. In this chapter, we will learn about some of the important personalities who have become as valuable as jewels for all Indians by their hard work, selfless service, and valuable contributions, and many more admirable qualities. We often tend to forget the immense contribution of great people who gave us knowledge and the correct way of living. Can you remember any one of them? There are some great people who have always lived for the betterment of human race. They have made contributions which are hard to forget, and they have showed us the right path of knowledge. They are a source of inspiration to millions of people all over the world. And we are going to talk about some of them. In this chapter, we will talk about Sushruta, Kalidasa, Rabindranath Tagore, Mother Teresa, and Mahatma Gandhi. Sushruta. Sushruta is known as the father of plastic surgery. He was an expert in removing stones from the kidney and the bladder. Sushruta knew the cure to many diseases which were considered incurable at that time. Kalidasa. Kalidasa is known to be a great Sanskrit poet and dramatist of India. He was a courtier at the court of King Chandragupta II of the Gupta dynasty. The literal meaning of Kalidasa is a servant of Kali. Kalidasa's works are well known all over the world. Some of his famous works are Meghaduta, Ritusamhara, and two long poems Raghuvamsha and Kumarasambhava. The play Abhijnana Shakuntalam is one of the most famous plays of Kalidasa. This play is well known throughout the world. It has been translated into many Indian and foreign languages. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a well-known poet, writer, musician, and philosopher. He was born in Calcutta to Devendranath Tagore and Sarada Devi. Young Tagore was popularly known as Ravi. Tagore was very fond of poetry and music. His first poem was Banbhul. He had a keen interest in folk music. Our national anthem, Janaganamana, was composed by him. He wrote nearly 50 books and more than 3,000 poems. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his book Geetanjali. He was also knighted by the English government in 1915. Tagore was in favor of English education as he knew that English education was the only way to liberate Indians from the servitude of the British. He founded a school at Shantiniketan in 1901. It is known as the Vishwabharati University. Tagore passed away in 1941. Rabindra Sangeet, the music of Tagore, is enjoyed by all. Here we stop our discussion today. Tomorrow we will continue. Thank you.